Have you ever wondered what really happens if someone commits a crime while sailing thousands of miles away from land? Most passengers imagine buffets, cocktails, and sunsets. But hidden deep below deck lies something far more chilling: a jail. Yes, a real one. Today we're unlocking one of the darkest secrets of the cruise industry: the hidden jail cells called brigs. Stay with me until the end, because what happens inside those tiny rooms might just change the way you see your next vacation. Secret number 1. Why cruise ships even have jails? You might be thinking, wait, a jail? On a vacation ship? Well, yes. When you put thousands of passengers together, in the middle of the ocean, with endless alcohol and emotions running high, not everyone behaves like they're on a family trip. And no, crew members don't just throw people overboard. That's not how it works. Cruise lines need control, and the brig is their hidden solution: a temporary cell until the ship can dock and hand over the troublemaker. Secret number 2. Where the jail cells are hidden. So where are these secret cells hiding? The answer? Deep in the crew-only sections, usually on the lowest decks. Passengers never see them. You won't find them on deck maps, and you won't stumble across them after a night of margaritas. Well, unless you've had way too many margaritas. They're kept near security offices, hidden away so vacationers don't worry. And here's the kicker: many people walk right above them every single day, completely unaware. Secret number 3. What these jails actually look like. Now, don't picture Alcatraz. These brigs are tiny, plain metal rooms. Just a bed, a toilet, and locked doors. Minimal comfort, maximum control. Crew members even joke about them being the world's worst inside cabin. And no, there's no room service. Some brigs are for just a few hours. Others are equipped for days. But remember, it isn't punishment. It's simply a holding tank until the law arrives. Secret number 4. Who actually gets locked up? The shocking answer: passengers, and sometimes even crew members. Common reasons include fights after too much drinking, theft in cabins, drug possession, harassment, and yes, serious violent crimes. Some passengers have even spent days in the brig before being handed over to the FBI. Imagine booking a dream vacation only to spend it in a 6x8-foot steel box. Secret number 5. The complicated laws at sea. Here's where it gets unsettling. Cruise ships often sail under a flag of convenience, registered in the Bahamas, Panama, or Malta, even when most passengers are American. So whose laws apply? If a crime happens in international waters, it's a legal maze. Sometimes the flag country is responsible. Sometimes it's the FBI. Sometimes it's the next port. But until then, the brig is where the accused waits. Alone, isolated, powerless. Creepy thought, isn't it? Secret number 6. What happens after someone's arrested? So, what happens when the ship docks? Security escorts the prisoner off and hands them to port police. In serious cases, the FBI may even board mid-journey. Imagine sipping a cocktail when agents in suits walk past you. Not the vacation you planned, right? And here's a fact cruise lines don't advertise: some crimes go unreported, quietly handled to avoid bad publicity. Final secret: what this means for you. So, next time you book a cruise, remember, while you're enjoying the pool and buffets, just a few decks below, someone could be locked away in a hidden cell waiting for justice. But this is only one dark secret, because every cruise ship also hides something even more chilling: a morgue. Yes, a morgue at sea. Click the video on your screen now to uncover why morgues exist on cruise ships, how they're used, and the shocking truth passengers never hear about. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.